In the cable data set, you will see class 1 or class 2 is mentioned, or 0, this grade 0, 0 grade, H2 grade or H4 grade is mentioned. So what is this? So today we will discuss in a short video. We will learn what are these class and grade of cable construction. About this is related to cable conductor material. This is related to cable conductor. So flexibility of conductor is denoted by this class number. Flexibility of conductor as per IS 8130, flexibility of conductor is increased with the class number. So for fixed installation, this class 1 and class 2 is used. If class 1 is mentioned, that means it is used for solid conductors only. If class 2 is mentioned in the cable dataset for that particular cable, that means the cable is used for stranded conductors, stranded and compacted conductors. Now coming to the grade. So this is for aluminum conductor. So grade of cable conductor, if it is 0 grade, that means the tensile strength in Newton per square mm, it is measured, it is expressed in that way. So grade 0 means the tensile strength of the conductor is up to and including 100 Newton per square mm. If the grade is H2 grade, that means the tensile strength of that conductor is above 100 and up to and including 150 Newton per square mm. If the grade is H4, that means the tensile strength is above 150 Newton per square mm. So basically this is the properties of cable conductor cable material. So this is for aluminum conductor I have specified here. So mostly used this grade H2 and H4 grade. So H2 and H4 grade aluminum conductor is used for the cable construction in most of the industrial applications. Now coming to the type of PVC insulation and sheath. So that is defined as per IS 5831. So as per IS 5831, if the type is mentioned as type A, that means it is general purpose insulation. It is for maximum rated conductor temperature of 70 degrees centigrade, and it is intended for cables rated voltage up to and including 3.3 by 3.3 kV, U0 by U voltage 3.3 kV. You can see this type in the cable dataset. If the type is mentioned as type B, that means this is also general purpose insulation for maximum rated conductor uh, temperature as 70 degrees centigrade. But this time the voltage level is above 3.3 by 3.3 kV. So this is the only difference between type A and type B. Next is coming type C. Type C is the heat resisting insulation. Heat resisting insulation for maximum rated conductor of 85 degrees centigrade. So in case of type A and B, it was 70 degrees centigrade, and in case of type C, the temperature is 85 degrees centigrade, intended for cables rated voltage up to and including 1100 volts. So this is for low voltage power cables. Also this is denoted by HRPVC, that means heat resisting type, which is intended for use up to conductor temperature of 85 degrees centigrade. This is type C. If it is type ST1, that means it is general purpose sheath intended for use in cables operating at maximum rated conductor temperature of 70 degrees centigrade. And if it is type ST2, it is heat resisting sheath operating. This is operating at maximum rated conductor temperature of 90 degrees centigrade. So if the type is mentioned in the cable data sheet, you can understand from there what type of PVC insulation or sheath is applied there in the cable. So between type ST1 and type ST2, the basic difference is that temperature. It is the type ST1 is the general purpose sheath, temperature limit 70 degrees centigrade, and type ST2, this is heat resisting sheath. This is up to 90, it can withstand up to 90 degrees centigrade temperature. So this is about the cable conductor and also the PVC insulation and sheath material about cable.